All right, well, here's a beautiful Hermes 3000 in the with the wonderful seafoam green keys, and it's just in lovely condition. You can see hardly any scratches, even the back, which is kind of rare. You don't have these usual abrasions here. It's in just terrific condition overall. The only cosmetic issue that I've seen really on it is right here. You see a little bit of tiny bits of paint loss right there, and really that's about it. And the paper holders work fine. Carriage very happily runs, and a lovely bell. Carriage return level works nicely. 1, 2, 3. Super. Margins, just great. Isn't that lovely? I just love how that moves so nicely there. There's the left side, and here's the right side, just to show you that everything's working fine there. This one comes, of course, with the new platen. It's just in perfect condition, of course. Brand new. Let's do a little bit of a typing test here. You can set, of course, the color here. Red, clear, and blue or black. A test. Let's see if the tab is doing well here. It's cleared at the moment. 1 setting, 2 settings, 3, 1, 2, 3, and on. Let's see if we can remove those. There we go. Moves nicely. Margin release, yep, works nice on the left side. Works nicely. Oh, wait on it. Yeah, it works fine. Backspace, working lovely. Height alignment here of the line is super. And let's just check the alignment of upper and lower case. Yeah. Just lovely. Quick test of the red ribbon. Bingo. Can't think of much else to say about the machine. All right, one other here, just this tiny little bits here of paint loss on the front left of the space bar there, not corresponding on the right. You'll see in the photos on the posting that the cover is in super condition, and yeah, it's just great. It's just a great solid machine. If you're looking for a Hermes 3000 that's ready to work, this is one for you. Just really a joy to type on. Marvelous. If you have any questions, send us a message, whatever you call them. Send us some communication on Etsy.com or eBay.com under Acme Type Machines. Thanks for watching.